Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which statement best describes the special depreciation deduction for the QPP to qualify property production? It's mandatory for all qualifying property. It applies automatically unless the taxpayer opts out. It requires a taxpayer election to claim the 100%. It applies only to personal property. Well, first, the QPP is for property. It's not for personal property. It's for real property. We could eliminate D. It's mandatory for all qualifying property. It's not mandatory. This is not mandatory. You don't have to take it, like the other bonus depreciation. Between B and C, it applies automatically unless the taxpayer opts out. So it's kind of mandatory. It requires a taxpayer election to claim the 100% deduction. The QPP, it will ask you to opt in. So you have to elect in. The 100% depreciation deduction for QPP is elective. The taxpayer must affirmatively elect the deduction. QPP apply to non-residential real property, not personal property. Now, if you are taking this question on Farhat Lectures, you could always ask the AI to explain the topic for you, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and Farhat.ai would create a similar MCQ if you'd like to practice this question or similar question to this question. It will give you a new question. What should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, multiple choice, podcast, video simulation, video exercises, additional AI tools that will help you, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, or an enrolled agent. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.